Metallic bonds or metallic structures is what I'm going to be talking about in this animation today. How are they formed? For example, aluminium. Aluminium is formed with lots of aluminium atoms. When a lot of them come together, they will share their valence electrons, their d orbital. They will share them with each other, and the metal atoms will become cations, so positively charged, and they will give up their valence electrons, and then those valence electrons are called delocalized electrons, and they are free to move about throughout the structure. This is called the electron C model. The electron C model shows how the structure can be held together through the free-floating electrons and the cations. The metal atoms give up the electrons from the outer orbital, therefore becoming cations, positively charged. And the attraction between the cations and the delocalized electrons is what keeps the structure of the metal. The properties are malleability, conductivity, ductility, and low volatility. This malleability can be shown through the electron C model. The sea of electrons is constantly attracted to the cations and blocks the cations from each other, letting the structure shift and keep it, not break. Ductility is very similar, meaning that if it is pulled, it will not break. For example, metal can be stretched out into wires. It works in a very similar way because the metal can be stretched because the electrons can flow over the top of each other. Conductivity. Since the electrons are delocalized and electricity is simply the flow of charge, metals are very good at conducting electricity. Metals are also very good conductors of heat, which accounts for their low volatility. Low volatility means that metals have a high melting point and a high boiling point due to the large attraction between the large amount of positive and negative charges. It is difficult to separate them to make them a liquid or a gas.